down for a little bit due to a little rear parking lot bump. Messed up the bumper and dinged the quarter panel, unfortunately. But I had a body shop fix it and it came out pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with it. I'm just glad I got this thing back. I got the fuel tank cleaned out, replaced the fuel pump and the fuel filter again, and she's looking pretty. Just been driving the crap out of it and enjoying this really sweet car. I don't have a whole lot of daylight here, but yeah, it's been a journey with this one. I've replaced a lot of things to get this thing to run really good. Definitely, I do want to say, I want to give a huge shout out to Connor at Magic Motorsports / import JD and Magic. One of the most legit importers out there. He's actually the one who helps me with this car. He helped me throughout the whole entire process. It was easy, stress-free to get the car here. And when I did get the car here, I worked on it. He helped me find parts for it. And then also, of course, you know, it was very unfortunate that some irresponsible kid popped it in the parking lot. But Connor helped me source a bumper out of Japan and some other parts. So it's really great that I was able to get this thing fixed. Connor was able to expedite the parts, got them to me super fast. I'm definitely going to be buying my next car from him. With that being said, this beautiful Cresta is for sale. I have it up for sale on Facebook, but I'll put a link or something like that to the listing. It's a really sweet car, like I was saying. I had it since December, and now I'm kind of like ready to mess with something else. It's a little dark, but as you can see, it's got a really nice interior. I put the LEDs everywhere, and of course it's got the you know, the 1J and the R154, what everybody looks for in these cars. And of course it sounds super good. But overall, I mean, the car is great. I like it, but I think I just found out that I'm a Nissan guy. I like Toyota, but I kind of like RBs better. So I think my next venture will be either an S15 like I originally planned, or maybe an RB, Laurel C35, something like that. You know, it's just fun getting these cars. It's a process. You know, getting it from Japan, it's a whole really fun experience. So I really think you know, everybody should import, you know, one car at least, just to kind of get that experience of like driving to the port, picking it up and all that. So yeah, with that being said, definitely take a gander at this beautiful Cresta. Maybe somebody wants to buy it. Get you a sweet Cresta. Look how pretty this thing shines up. Here's if I can find it.